Alright, so this says it's 4-way cassette, but we're doing 3-way. Pioneer. This is the box for the cover.
Don't lose these.
Yeah. Little tiny package of screws inside that box. You don't want to lose them because that goes in 4 areas right here. Now,
Hold up.
this does not.
Get you a gun.
This cover does not go on just any old way.
Really, we need to take that cover off.
Why?
So when we come back through and hook up all the electrical, we can just hook that into. Oh, we're not doing that just yet.
Where we can just, this comes down and you can get into it. Alright, so these wires have to go in a specific place, and they go in right here. So that means
Over one more. Other way, keep going. Right one more.
like that. Is that right?
There you
Like
go.
that.
There. And by the way,
There's tape in here you can pull out.
Well, they can reach out from the outside.
Yeah.
Now, this is these wires have to go. They show up right here.
oh, I already showed that.
So these wires have to be where they can reach into there.
And when you get in there, you'll see where they go. They're pretty
And we'll show you.
self-explanatory.
Yeah. Now, to put the screws, these screws, in, you have to take this cover off. Now you push these little springs like that. This will literally pull out. Then these can hang. All right. Remember, this is going to go back over. And this 7/8 right here is why we got to have that 7/8 depth.
I don't know if you're gonna. Might do.
Come on up here. Get a washer on that?
Yeah. Issue is you're right up against the wall on the other side there. Your
Let me have those screws.
there you go. Holes are showing. It's a little bit of finagling, right, Dan?
A little bit of adjustment.
Finesse.
You know, I can look up in here and see where the screws in relation to the hole. I don't want to over tighten it. One more screw. I may have to cut this out.
Yeah.